Crypto staking is a simple way for us to earn money while doing almost nothing. Feels too easy to trust, doesn't it? It works by locking our digital coins in a safe place. In return, we get small rewards daily, weekly, or monthly. It's like our money is working for us, even while we sleep. That's why people call it passive income. Once we start, there's not much more we need to do. We just keep our crypto in a wallet or exchange that supports staking. This helps the crypto network stay strong and secure. In this video, we'll learn how staking works and how even beginners like us can start with just a few simple steps. So let's stick together and dive into crypto staking as a team. Start staking crypto. Right, staking crypto is a smart and simple way to grow your money without doing hard work every day. You don't need to trade, guess prices, or spend hours online. You just keep your coins safe in a wallet or exchange, and they start earning rewards on their own. This is called passive income, which means you earn money without doing anything extra. It feels good to know your coins are working for you quietly in the background. Over time, your small savings can become bigger just by waiting. Many people, even students and beginners, now use staking to build money slowly. You don't need to be rich, fast, or perfect. Just start with a little, keep learning, and grow step by step. Easy way to earn. Trading can feel fast, confusing, and sometimes scary. You have to buy and sell at the right time, or you can lose money. It takes focus, time, and energy. But staking is very different. It is calm, safe, and easy to understand. You just lock your coins and relax. The coins stay safe, and you keep getting small rewards over time. It feels peaceful, like money growing on its own while you do your schoolwork, play games, or rest. Many students and busy people like this method because there is no stress. You don't need to check charts or worry about timing. Staking helps you earn in a slow and steady way that feels good and safe. Top coins for staking only. Some special coins can be staked, and they use a system called proof of stake. This system lets you earn rewards just by holding coins. Some of the top coins you can stake are Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and Avalanche, AVAX. These coins are trusted by many people, and they are used on strong network. Some give 4% per year, others give 8%, 10%, or even more, depending on where you stake them. They are safe, popular, and used all over the world. When picking a coin to stake, always check how safe it is and how much reward it gives. A good coin should be easy to stake and grow slowly with time. Picking a known and trusted coin makes everything easier. Where to stake coins? You can stake your coins in two main ways: by using a crypto wallet or a crypto exchange. Wallets like Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, and Exodus let you keep control of your coins and show you your rewards clearly. These are great if you want more privacy and feel safe doing things yourself. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are good if you want everything in one place. You can buy, hold, and stake easily with just a few clicks. It feels simple and fast, especially for beginners. Both ways can help you earn, so choose what feels better for you. Whether you use a wallet or exchange, staking will help your coins grow slowly while you relax and enjoy life. Pick the best time. Time is very important when staking your crypto. Some staking plans lock your coins for just a few days. Others can lock them for many weeks or even months. If you choose a longer time, you usually get bigger rewards. But it also means you cannot use or move your coins during that time. That's why you must think carefully. If you need the money soon, short staking is better. If you can wait, long staking is more rewarding. More time brings more income, but only if you are sure. Staking needs a little planning and a lot of patience. Always check how long your coins will be locked and what you will get in return. How rewards are paid. When you stake your crypto, you earn rewards slowly over time. These rewards are mostly given in the same coin you used for staking. If you stake Solana, you get more Solana. If you stake Cardano, you get more Cardano. The rewards can come every day, every week, or every month. It depends on the platform you use. Some platforms even show a graph or list to track how much you've earned. The more coins you stake, the more you get back. But even small amounts grow with time. It's like receiving small gifts again and again for being patient and smart with your savings. Be careful of risks. Even though staking is easy and calm, there are still some risks you must know. If you pick a bad coin, its price can go down. Then even with rewards, your money becomes less. Also, some staking platforms are not safe. They can get hacked or close suddenly. You may lose everything if you're not careful. Some staking plans also don't let you take your coins out early. This can be a problem if you need the money quickly. So always choose trusted and big platforms. Read all the rules before you stake. Doing some research first can help you stay safe and happy. Use a crypto wallet. Many people like using wallets to stake their coins. A wallet gives you more control because you hold your own keys. This means you are the real owner of your crypto. Good wallets like Trust Wallet, Exodus, and Atomic Wallet are easy to use. They also show you how much you earn and let you stake right inside the app. It's safe and simple for most people. Some wallets offer many coins to stake, so you can choose what you like. It feels like having your own little crypto bank. You just move your coins, click stake, and watch them grow quietly. Check staking percent. Different coins and websites give different staking rewards. This is called the APR, or annual percentage rate. Some coins give 4%, others give 10%, and some even more. A higher number means more rewards, but it can also mean more risk. So always check the percent before staking. Compare coins and platforms carefully. Pick one that is not just high, but also safe and well-known. A safe coin with steady income is better than a risky one with high rewards. Always choose the one that makes you feel calm and sure. That's the smart way to earn over time. Grow slowly and safe. In the world of crypto, slow and steady is the best way. Don't rush to stake everything you have. Start with a small amount and watch how it works. Learn step by step. Once you feel happy and understand everything, you can stake more. This way, you don't get scared or confused. Staking is like saving money in a bank, but it gives more rewards. It helps you earn money slowly while you focus on school or your daily life. Many young people are doing this now. Just stay calm, be smart, and grow your savings one step at a time. Staking crypto is not hard, but it does need some learning and care. Anyone can do it, even a student or beginner. You just need the right coin, the right platform, and a smart plan. We shared the most important tips with you: how to pick the best time, how rewards are paid, which wallets to use, what risks to check, and how to grow slowly and safely. Now it's your turn to begin. Pick a coin, choose a good wallet or exchange, and start staking the simple way. Which coin do you want to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. It really helps us make more easy and fun videos like this. Share this with your friends so they can also learn how to earn money with crypto. Thank you for watching, and stay smart, stay strong,